Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to automate email alias for new Google Workspace users using xFanatical Foresight. Creating email aliases manually for every new Google Workspace user is repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to errors, delaying communication for new employees. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, admins can automate alias creation for new users, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and speed. This streamlines onboarding, saves IT time, and keeps communication standards aligned. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Automated Email Alias for new Google Workspace users and click on it. In the Automated Email Alias for new Google Workspace users page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automated Email Alias for new Google Workspace users will display. Click Next. No configurations needed. Click Review. In the review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with the same Google admin account. Go to the Google Admin Console using your Super Admin account. Navigate to Directory, then Users, then click Add New User. In the User Information section, fill in the basic details like first name, last name, and primary email. Click Add New User to create user. Once created, wait for the notification in the top right corner of xFanatical Foresight. To view the details, simply click View Log in the notification message. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Verify the results in the Google Admin Console by opening the user's account details and confirming that the email alias was successfully added through the rule execution. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.